Hello, this is Nancy Adamek from Lina Patchwork, and I'm here today to tell you about our City Lights cushion pattern, which is here. Sadly, I haven't got the cushion itself with me today because the cushion is in Spain. It's holidaying in Barcelona on a photo shoot without me. But there you go, it's tough at the top sometimes. So, however, I've made some samples for you and we're going to talk about the inner city quilt pattern. And I have prepared a sample here for you, and you can tell it's a 3D pattern. This is a 1.5 inch half hexagon size, so that's quite a significant difference. Just a 1/4 inch more brings it up quite big. But if you think small is nice, you could also do a little miniature one. It's not really miniature, it's far from miniature actually.